Good afternoon. This is Victor Chi. Today I'm going to show you an exciting video, how I found myself in an amazing situation when I was overtaken by a Scandinavian type truck link 25 meters long. For example, I'm driving a 17-meter truck right now. It is very difficult to drive backwards on such a long truck because it has two kinks. I'm going to share the details of this exciting moment. This video will be an inspiration for those who are interested in driving, cars, and road adventures.
Always be sure to let go of negative people, you know. Resentment good for your soul. It eats away and control. So hold your head to the sky and seek the beauty of life. Always be sure to let go of negative people, you know. The way that they all said her name, it's obvious to me how they've been. Insecurities have turned them into ugly, ostracized, left to the wolves. To feed off the doubt, use it as tools to make them feel tall and full of pride, from sucking the life out of beautiful others.
Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss this exciting story and lots of other exciting content from the world of cars and traveling.
It eats away and control. So hold your head to the sky and seek the beauty of life. Always be sure to let go of negative people, you know.